There is no doubt our clear film is amazing once installed. It's the premium film with quality and clarity. The premium film comes with a premium and professional installation. Always enter the home or building wearing shoe covers or booties. Use drop cloths and make sure you always leave a job cleaner than when you arrived. Our film is easy to install if the proper techniques are used. Installation does not require a lot of tools or work, but does require high precision and attention to detail. There are 5 basic steps to make sure that your installation will be successful and leave your customer delighted with the decision they made. The first step in successfully installing the film is to start with a clean glass surface. This is very important as any dust or debris left on the glass will appear magnified once the film is applied. Using a sprayer with about 8 drops of Dawn Blue Liquid soap for every 32 ounces of water, lightly spray the glass, then clean or scrape the glass using a 6-inch stainless steel Triumph blade. Next, re-wet the glass and clean thoroughly using a squeegee. Using Bounty paper towels, clean the edging and/or window framing. It's also a good idea, but not required, to clean the exterior of the window to improve the quality and clarity of the installation, and your customer will love you for it. Repeat any of these steps as needed and make sure the glass is clean before installing the film. Do not use fans in the room and be careful with AC vents, as this will circulate dust in the air which will be attracted to the glass and film. Next, measure the window and cut your film accordingly, leaving about 1 inch extra on the height and width. This extra inch will allow you room to maneuver the film for a perfect fit. Once the film is cut, wet the glass, remove the liner from the film, and mist the adhesive side of the film. In this video, the installer is using a reverse roll method where the piece of film is re-rolled the opposite way. The liner is then removed as the film is rolled onto the window. This method works best for larger window one-man crews and helps minimize the dust being trapped on the film as it's installed. If you have smaller panes of glass or more than one person, the liner can be removed as one person holds the film and then places the entire piece of film on the glass. Since the glass and film are still wet, you'll be able to slide the film as needed to ensure the entire glass is covered. You can carefully lift the film if you need to add more water. Due to the clarity of our film, this is the most critical part of the process of installation. Every effort must be made to remove as much water as possible. Leaving excess water will result in the formation of small water pockets that look like bubbles. These water pockets will distort the clarity of the film and increase the overall time for the curing process, sometimes by weeks. With the film secured at the top, lightly mist the film with water and begin the squeegee process using the hard card. You will squeegee the water starting at the top and working from the center out to the left and right. Repeat this process at least 3 to 4 times. This will make sure the maximum amount of water is removed. As you can see, it appears as though the water is gone, but with each pass using the hard card, there is still water being removed. Again, it is vital to remove as much water as possible during this part of the process. Using an Olfa blade and, if needed, a straight edge, start from one corner and work around the edge of the glass, trimming the film as close as possible to the edge of the glass. Make sure to use new blades often. It's critical to have a sharp blade. The last step is to put the finishing touches on the installation. Using the sprayer, lightly mist the area where the film has been installed. Using the hard card, covered with some paper towels, squeegee over the film one last time. This will clean the film and remove any squeegee marks, as well as removing any last bit of excess water. Now, step back, take a look, and address any areas that need additional attention. These are the 5 basic steps to make sure your installation will be successful and leave your customer delighted with the decision they made. Remember, prep and clean the window. Cut the film and place it on the glass. Remove the water, trim the film, and put on the final touches for that perfect install every time.